The introduction of hydrogen-powered aircraft by 2035 is a major lever for the decarbonisation of air transport, which has committed to achieving net zero emissions by 2050. Present across the entire hydrogen value chain, from production to the various applications, including transport and storage, Air Liquide is putting its technical and industrial expertise at the service of the decarbonisation of aviation from the ground to the air.
10 years ago, we started to look at, is it possible to fly an aircraft with hydrogen? So we started to look at the possibility to use gaseous hydrogen at high pressure, and very rapidly we have discovered that actually those tanks are very, very heavy. That's the reason why 4 years ago we set up a new consortium, a European consortium with our partner H2Fly, who is owning this aircraft. And this very specific aircraft has already flown with hydrogen. It is equipped with two small gaseous hydrogen tanks. And by retrofitting the aircraft with Liquide, we expect to at least double the autonomy. This aircraft is made of two gliders that have been built by Pipistrel, and which have been merged into a single aircraft. In the middle, we have the fuel cell. The fuel cell is fed with our liquid hydrogen tank, and the fuel cell will provide the electric power to the motor, which will then rotate the propeller. The tank is about 290 liters. We put it on one side of the aircraft. We have already passed with success all the ground testing, so vibration testing, electrical testing. We have done many refueling of the tank. We have also operated the aircraft on ground at full power. All that works perfectly.
In the next step, we will go for a flight test, and only based on this partnership, we have a chance to show that electric flight with hydrogen is possible.
This tank is rather small compared to what will be needed in the future for large commercial aircraft, but we have integrated into that tank all the functions and all the safety procedures that will be needed for commercial aircraft. And by doing that, we are now preparing the future, contributing to the better future for decarbonized aviation.